Welcome to our English lesson. Today, we're going to learn the difference between little and a little. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about little. When we use little, it means there's hardly any of something or not enough of it. Little has a negative connotation. For example, I have little time to finish my homework. This means you don't have enough time. Another example is, there's little hope of winning the game. Here, little hope suggests that the chances of winning are very low. Now let's look at a little. When we use a little, it means there's some of something but not a lot. A little has a positive connotation. For example, I have a little time before the meeting. This means you have some time and it's enough to do something. Another example is, she showed a little interest in the topic. This means she had some interest, even if it wasn't much. Let's compare the two sentences side by side. There's little water left in the bottle suggests that there's almost no water left and it's probably not enough. But there's a little water left in the bottle means there is some water left and it might be just enough. To recap, little means not much, almost none, and is often negative. A little means some, and it's usually positive. And that's the difference between little and a little. Now you know how to use them correctly in your sentences. Thanks for watching.